Hello again, everybody. So we got a customer's car in. It's a 2024 Acura Integra. Just has an intake on it right now and a full exhaust. So we're going to be installing some upgrades here from 27.1. We are doing their upgraded bigger turbo on here as well as their front mount intercooler. So stay tuned. I'll make a video for that. And back again here. So I was able to get the turbo unbolted from this car. It's nice. It's right up front here and everything's decently accessible. Just want to do a comparison of, this is the factory turbo right here. You can see the size of the wheel compared to the new turbo. Look at how much bigger that wheel is on it. Definitely a lot bigger of a turbo. So we're going to move over all of the accessories here to the new turbo and we'll get it bolted back up. Right on. The new turbo is officially mounted to the car. It bolts up pretty seamlessly as it's all the same mounting points for all the components here. Don't have an O2 in it yet, so just put a rag to protect that for now. The kit comes with a new oil feed line, which is pretty simple to install. And then during the process, this rubber hose, the factory one, got a little puncture in it, so I just ran out, got some 5/16 hose, fixed that up. No issues with that right now either. So next step for this car is we also have the 27.1 front mount intercooler kit. So I've already gone ahead and pulled off, here's the factory one, and then here's the upgraded one. I'll make a short clip of them next to each other here as well. But the new one is much bigger, and then I'm gonna go ahead, get that installed here as well, and we'll give you guys an update. Here we go again. I got the 27.1 front mount intercooler mounted on the car, as well as all the clamps tied up, the new inlet pipe here, as well as the outlet pipe for the turbo. All of it's clamped up. This thing looks fire. Definitely a lot bigger than the stock one that was on here. Just gonna finish putting the front of the clip back together and then we'll show the car done. All right, party people. So we just finished the install of the 27.1 turbo and front mount intercooler. Finally got the intake back on it. I do need to swap out this O2 sensor. I had a hard time getting it out of the old turbo, so it's a little bit chewed up there. Just want to have a new one on it for this new turbo so the nut isn't fucked up. Gonna go ahead and give it a first start here. Looking pretty good. I don't see any issues right now. Just gonna do a short test drive. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.